as a teaser to show what was going to be available here. And so we'll quit what we're doing here. We're using RXB with the menu. Do a disk directory, press D for directory, disk 1. Okay, so this one is by the name use group 579B, and there are data statements at the top, demo programs, and load. And what the load program does is it will step through each of these demonstration programs and show various things. Now, what the nuts and bolts series of disks is they are a series of DV163 merge format, little tiny programs. And the idea is on your program, you do a program that you're working on, and then you type in merge disk 1 and then the name of the subprogram. So as an example of this, excuse me here, I'm going to quit this, go to RXB again. Okay, here's the meetings program. This is the menu, the clapboard that we use at the beginning of most of our meetings to identify what time, what date. Now you see it's building the screen. Those are standard TI characters. Notice how they get big. I'm actually in this program using Jim Peterson's big character subprogram. So we can do a list. Yeah, the first line tells me what lines to edit for who's attending and what the date is. And then I did it the hard way. I redefined the state of Texas for those characters. 30 display at line 10.7, Chicago TI 99.4A users group, November 7th, 2020 meeting. Okay, so that's last month's. And then here, line 270, display the color bars. So I had to go through every color group of characters and then determine what colors I was going to have them display. Okay, and here we go. Line 960, call large character. Programs have to be at the end of your main program. Legally, they have to be there at the end of the main program for a subprogram. So here we are, line 1230, call the colors. This establishes the colors. So you see on this version of this program, you can see the screen being built. Here's line 1480, brought to you by, and that's the second page. Here we go, line 1670, sub-large character. Well, it's already got it figured out what it's trying to do, so these are all data statements of where it's redefining all the characters normally used in the uppercase. And then you got to restore after it's done with the subprogram. So let's run this again. And you can watch the screen being built. Uppercase letters that make up the color bars, the punctuation state of Texas, in uppercase for what we did. Like I said, this is last month.